You make consistently, I can say that, consistently, very high quality wines. What makes you unique here? What sets you apart? Why is that?
My point on that would be, don't overthink it. It's the first thing I look at. Make a decision, stick to it. It starts in the vineyards. That's where it starts. And then from there, when we bring the fruit in here, and it's Alex's job and my job, work as a team and get the best out of that fruit that's brought in.
It's that attention to detail, running cool fermentations, cool cellars, lots of barrel topping, regular tastings, monitoring the wines. And something I guess I've talked about a lot since I've been here is no rules. Throw the recipe book out the window, let us be winemakers, and if it's ready to come out of barrel, it's ready to come out of barrel.